Hi there, welcome to another Messenger Minute. Today we're going to be looking at Adobe Photoshop Elements, and the first thing that we're going to learn is how to open a photograph in Adobe Photoshop Elements. So here we are. When you open Adobe, you're going to see this little pop-up window. We're not looking for Organizer, we're looking for Photo Editor. So click on that, and the main screen is going to load up. Now there are a couple of ways that we can open photos in Adobe Photoshop. So the first and the easiest way would probably be to drag and drop right on this window. So if we know where the file is, in what folder or on our desktop, as mine is, we can actually click on that file, drag it on, and that will automatically open up in Adobe Photoshop Elements. Now the second way, if we have to search a little bit for the file, will be to go over to our File menu and actually choose Open from the File menu, and then browse for the document. So we can look over here, choose the location of the document. Mine is on the desktop, and once we've located the image, we click Open, and there you have it. It's ready to do some work. And this has been another Messenger Minute. Thanks for tuning in.